All Joe Allen kitchens have solid frames as standard. This kitchen is hand-painted in a cream colour and features mahogany inserts. The main mahogany feature here is a plate rack, which is set between two wall-mounted glass display units. The American-style fridge is flanked by two spacious larder units. A mahogany insert wine rack has been tastefully integrated into the unit above the fridge. The fridge itself features detailed columns on either side. This is very much a traditional style kitchen where the doors have been hung in frame. Dental mouldings complement the custom-made cornice along the tops of the units. The island unit has been carefully designed to seat 4 people for breakfast and provides ample storage with its large pot drawers. Nickel handles on the drawers hark back to the kitchens of yesteryear. The overmantel above the Aga cooker provides a beautiful centrepiece with its moulded supports and panelling. All worktops are solid black granite. This kitchen also features a Belfast sink and chamfered edges on all of the units.